Bigger isn't always better. Take the nebulizer. The common misconception is that a nebulizer has to be big, loud, and even a little intimidating in order to be effective. But this just isn't so. What's really important is how efficiently it delivers medication. The Omron RE-C800KD is a perfect example, using Omron's unique DAT technology. It's quiet, compact, and lightweight, yet delivers the medication effectively and soothingly for the comfort and anxiety-free relief designed specifically for children. Keep in mind, in order to deliver the medication effectively, a nebulizer must create the ideal particle size. Large particles tend to be deposited in the upper airway, or tracheobronchial region. The ideal particle size, 1 to 5 micrometers, results in the desired alveolar disposition. The Omron RE-C800KD creates these minute, ideally sized particles, which are easily absorbed into the lungs, supporting the most effective treatment. And unlike most larger nebulizers, it works quietly. Why is this important? Because it puts children at ease and allows adults to work, read, or just relax. Here's another advantage of not being big. The Omron RE-C800KD is so compact, it fits in the palm of your hand, so you can take it with you anywhere you go, even on vacation, so you're never without the vital medication your child needs. Just listen to what these Omron RE-C800KD users have to say. The Omron RE-C800KD. It's not bigger, it's better.